Opening shot of a university campus, with students walking around, carrying books and chatting with each other. The camera pans to a young woman in her mid-20s sitting at a desk in a library, reading a finance textbook. Voiceover, meet Sarah. She's a recent college graduate who's interested in pursuing a career in finance. She's heard about two programs that could help her achieve her goals, the Chartered Financial Analyst, CFA, program and the Master of Business Administration, MBA, in finance. But which program is right for her? Cut to Sarah sitting in front of her computer, looking up information about the CFA and MBA programs. We hear the sounds of a narrator explaining the two programs. Narrator: the CFA program and the MBA in finance are two of the most popular programs for people interested in pursuing a career in finance. They both provide students with a deep understanding of finance, investment, and business, but they have different focuses and approaches. Cut to Sarah looking puzzled. Sarah, I'm not sure which program would be better for me. Can you tell me more about the differences between the two programs? Narrator: sure. The CFA program is a self-study program that focuses on investment analysis and portfolio management. It takes an average of 4 years to complete and consists of 3 levels of exams. The program is highly regarded in the investment industry and is known for its rigorous curriculum and ethical standards. Cut to Sarah nodding in understanding. Sarah, that sounds like a challenging but rewarding program. Narrator: yes, it is. The MBA in finance, on the other hand, is a graduate program that focuses on broader business and finance topics, such as accounting, economics, and strategy. The program typically takes 2 years to complete and includes classroom learning, group projects, and case studies. An MBA in finance can provide students with a well-rounded understanding of business and finance, and can open up a wide range of career opportunities. Cut to Sarah looking thoughtful. Sarah, that sounds like a great program, too. But how do I know which program would be better for me? Cut to a finance professor sitting in front of a whiteboard, explaining the differences between the CFA and MBA programs. Professor, the CFA program is ideal for someone who wants to specialize in investment analysis and portfolio management. It's a great choice for someone who wants to work in the investment industry, such as a hedge fund, asset management firm, or investment bank. The program requires a lot of self-discipline and dedication, but it can be highly rewarding for those who complete it. Cut to Sarah nodding, taking notes. Professor, the MBA in finance, on the other hand, is a great choice for someone who wants a broader understanding of business and finance. It can be a good fit for someone who wants to work in